maupay na hudto na aton nga tanan. So in 2019, I was asked to handle the nutrition program as PNAW of the province of Samar, but I humbly declined because knowing the scope and the magnitude of work, I think I have this fear, baka hindi ko kakayanin kasi masyado siyang malaki. But in August 2023, so wala na po akong kawala, there was already another call to handle the nutrition program. And this time, I accepted reluctantly, being a good follower, and with all due respect and trust po sa aming Provincial Governor, Shari Antan. She's very supportive, so how can I say no? So, yun, nagiging PNAW po ako from that time. As I assumed office, I realized more the complexity of the nutrition challenge. Masyadong magulo. So, together with the nutrition staff and the support of our Governor Shari Antan, the Provincial Nutrition Committee, we made reforms in nutrition program implementation. So the first thing we did was organizing the nutrition staff kasi hindi po talaga siya organized. So we were able to divide the office into three. So may admin, may IT, and the operations. The simple creation of group chats and the simple yung ginagawa na all the staff should have this email dedicated solely for nutrition. It came a long way, or it made a long way for an organized and more open communication. My goal then was to establish good data collection, data banking, and data management. And we were able to improve the data management through our skilled staff, nutrition staff. Likewise, we made sure all activities and other nutrition-related programs are properly documented. Yung wala pang evaluations or anything, it should be documented because I, myself, believe that whatever is not written, it is not done. So we continue to adhere the PIPAN implementation, integrating our provincial direction together with all the sectoral support. Hence, all our trend in nutrition indicators, they are consistently decreasing since 2020. Then I was surprised when I was informed by the staff of the National Nutrition Council of the Region 8 to be ready sa national validation as a contender for the Outstanding Provincial Nutrition Action Officer, and informing me further that I am the Regional Outstanding PNAW. I really didn't know how I feel that time kasi all I did para sa akin po is it's all for Samarnon, service of Samarnon, and creating change within the nutrition program. So, of course, this award will not be possible without the support of the following. I would like to extend this, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, lalo na of course sa ating Panginoon po, for the wisdom, the health, the courage, and the divine providence na binibigay po sa akin every day. I also have a lot of challenges because handling nutrition program and handling another task as a department head of another office. Hindi po kasi ako full-time PNAW. I'm a slash PNAW. But I don't want na ma-left behind whatever po yung ahahandle. So, it was really a challenge. Kaya sa ating matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay, wala po akong work-life balance. Yan po. So, but I am just very thankful that Governor Shari Antan, she's always very supportive of all our nutrition endeavors. And kung meron kaming proposals, as long as we explain it to her, what the goal is, she really approves our budget. Wala po siyang hindi-hindian, kaya malaki po yung budget ng nutrition. And thank you. nutrition program is her flagship program of the province. So the provincial the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, of course, headed by our Vice Governor Arnold Vitan. Kung wala po sila, hindi po masusuportahan yung mga policies na pinupush po ng Provincial Nutrition Committee. Of course, through the Provincial Health Board. Then of course, sa provincial nutrition staff, kahit wala sila dito, I would like to mention them all. Kasi I know we have this love and hate relationship with our staff. Kasi you want to deliver, so you want also the staff to deliver. So to Almira, mga Imnaus, please tell them also. Almira, Mary Ann, Ate Freda, Maricar, Kenneth, and Michelle. They are all very, kumbaga, malaking tulong po sila in the implementation. The Municipal Nutrition and the City Nutrition Action Officers, for all your patience, you know what I mean. For sa aming kakulitan and for the at times overlapping activities with them. So mga kadagmitan natin nga mga meetings, but you always support us. So kahit love and hate relationship din tayo, but yes, 2 years was really a lot of time to know each other more. But I will miss you. I will miss, nakailak na ako. The Department of Health, RDXU, thank you so much. Sa PMNP, Mumburata, kay Doc Insigni po, salamat po sa mga Department of Health representatives of Samar Province. Kahit wala sila dito, but they are instrumental po. Of course, hindi ko po siya pwedeng hindi po talaga i-mention. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Biliran Province. The Biliran Interlocal Health Zone was my training ground. I am from Biliran Province. Kaya happy ako, Naval, kaibiran, fan ako ni Mayor Rodessa. So, nandito po sila. All the lessons I learned from the Biliran Interlocal Health Zone, I always carry it sa aking heart po. Nadala ko siya sa Samar. Of course, Doc Takati, National Nutrition Council, Regional Nutrition Program Coordinator. Doc, you know what we did sa 2024. Marami ng LGUs na hindi nalab si Doc Kati kasi he is always there sa Samar Province because of the series of capacity development programs and all those programs, kahit mga late notices, Doc. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always supporting us. And kahit po wala na sa Samar si Ma'am Dalin, I told her 2024 last year, Ma'am, babawi tayo next year. And Ma'am Dalin, here we are. Ma'am Annabel, very instrumental po kayo. Ma'am Annalyn, Sir Ernest, Miss Daphne, and all the regional nutrition staff. Thank you po so much sa 2 taong samahan natin. Handling nutrition program while also the head of another department is quite a challenge. Like I said, walang work-life balance. So, yeah, I would like to take this opportunity to inform everyone that I was relieved already. Kasi last month, October, there is already a new PNAW full-time na. So, in the person of Miss Isabel Carla L. Aquino. So, she assumed her duty effective October 17-10. So na-meet na siya nito. Kaya, but I will always be at the background. Kasi another's last position. So I will be the training officer of Samar Province, focusing on the Bridging Leadership Program, which is also I love doing. I started doing it sa Santa Margarita through the Bridging Leadership for Nutrition Development. Kaya Samar Nutrition Action Officers, marami na akong time to be with your BNS and your Barangay Nutrition Committee. Just stop our office po, then we will arrange. So, again, Doc, this is so overwhelming. Hindi ko siya na-feel kanina or days or weeks ahead, prior to this. Pero ngayon, naging overwhelming siya because I'm so happy sa lahat ng support. And 2 years really is not enough. But para sa akin, there is still more way to go for nutrition program in Samar Province. So, Gov! This award is all for you and for the people of Samar. One people, one Samar. Good morning.
Thank you.